I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your eSIM to a new device can seem daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Back up your current device. Before you start the transfer, back up your current device. This ensures you don't lose any important data during the process. Step 3. Access Koodo app. Open the Koodo app on your current device. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store. Step 4. Initiate eSIM transfer. In the Koodo app, navigate to the Manage eSIM section and select the option to transfer your eSIM. Follow the prompts to generate a QR code. Step 5. Scan QR code on new device. On your new device, go to the cellular settings and select the option to add a new eSIM. Use your camera to scan the QR code generated in the previous step. Remember, if you have trouble scanning the QR code, make sure your camera lens is clean and that you're in good lighting. Once you've completed these steps, your eSIM should be successfully transferred. Good luck with your new device.